Wala natin ngayon ang rat snake na nakita natin kapon. Hahanap tayo ng magandang pwesto kung saan pwede ito i-relocate. Rat snakes are mostly found on houses. They like to eat rats. That's why most of the time they are found in houses as there is food and shelter. Most people mistaken this beautiful snake into a Philippine cobra because of the appearance that looks almost the same as the Philippine cobra, or known as the agwason or ulupong. And the good news is, rat snakes don't have venom, and that's the biggest difference between a rat snake and a cobra. And as you can see in this picture, they almost look the same. In the left picture is the Philippine cobra and have a neurotoxic venom which can kill a person. And on the right side is the rat snake which has no venom. In here, they call rat snake lagwasan, and I think they're referring to agwasan, which is the Philippine cobra. Luckily, that time I heard someone saying that there is a snake. I quickly ran into my neighbor's house to see what snake it is, and after I got there, I quickly identified that it is a Philippine gray-tailed rat snake because of its black tail. And I quickly ran back to my house to get my two snake hook, and I went back there running and gave my other snake hook to Big Boy so he can assist me on getting the snake. I went to my neighbor's house again, and there's many people, and its head was pinned by a wood by an old man, and I quickly get under the kitchen and grabs the snake's head. And that's how I managed to catch it. And on our way, we found a tiny skink, but we didn't manage to catch it. It is quick to get away because it is small and there's bushes all over the place. But no worries, we'll continue our journey. And again, we found another skink that is chasing a katydid. Skink, skink, skink. What skink? And once again, we didn't manage to catch it. But no worries, we managed to catch it on camera. Dito natin ngayon papakawalan ang rat snake na nahuli natin. Rat snake. Tinatawag na rat snake dahil kumakain sila ng buo. Umaabot sila ng 7 feet. At wala itong kamandag. So, papakawalan na natin. I have encountered a rat snake multiple times. This one is the longest rat snake I've seen so far. And also, a few months ago, my friend caught a 1 meter long rat snake, and so I asked him if I can have the snake so I can release it rather than getting killed. And here's the clip. I noticed that there is dogs, which means that there's people that lives nearby. I asked D-Boy for assistance not just because it will constrict my arm, but also to teach him about snakes. And you can see how long the snake is. It is long as me. So I searched for another location so the snake can never confront a frightened human again. And while on our way to find a new location where I can release the snake, they are asking different questions about the snakes and trying to give the best answer as I could, because I want people not to fear the snake, but to respect them.
Papakawalan na natin ngayon ang ahas nito.
And even I was scared of a snake this size. Even it's non-venomous, it is fast and aggressive.
Pagambal ko 3. Agtog to. 1, 2, 3.
Hopefully, we will never confront a frightened human again. I'm Rian Chester, and this is Animal Love.
Ako sa nila si ano be? Kapabe. Kapabod ng mer. Kapaan ng mer.
O gilatit lo na to ito.
Ganong. Lawis naman pangaran yan. Nakarang. Hindi naka ano. Dahil. Video.
Kabasak mo ba?
What national?
Naglalubong sikit kameraman. Buway na lang. Ouch! Pag-herping biologist ka, may dara ka nga, ha?
Cytology yung
No? May dara ka nga, anti-venom. Ano pang isa nga, no? Ano pang isa? Biologist. Ano rano?
tanan nga hayop. Gina, ano nyo daw, study.
Na?
Gina study.
Study? Ano study?
Study, gina, alam mo mga ano, informasyon sa hayop.